Basically, sensors give the signal when it detects the light, fire, IR or something else based on the applications. So these signals are actually positive. It means they give the high voltage for the output devices. Sometimes few sensors will give negative signal. It means if sensor is not detecting anything, then it will give a positive or high voltage signal. If the sensor detects any input, then it will give a negative signal. It means it will turn off the output signal. So simply, if sensor is not detecting, then it will give a positive signal. If the sensor is detecting, then it will give a negative signal. It means there won't be any signal. IR sensor works in the same process. Let us see the positive signal and how it works. We are using IR module to understand this process, and we are using LED module to test the signal. Let's give power supply to IR module at VCC. Let's connect the center pin, which is ground, to the negative of battery. Let's take the signal output or out, which is the first pin actually in IR sensor, to LED. Let's connect the negative of LED to ground. Now you can see that if there is no obstacle, LED is glowing, and if there is any obstacle, LED is turning off. It means if IR sensor is not detecting anything, then it will give a positive signal output, and if IR sensor detecting anything, it will give negative signal. It means it will turn off the signal to the output device. So mostly we have to use the negative signal from IR sensor.